So this right here is a vertical gradient, and I think this is something that would really look cute for the season. And today I'm going to show you how you can achieve this with this plate. And today I'm going to be using this design. So just so you know, the technique is exactly the same no matter what colors you use. So if you have something already that you could recreate, then do that. Let's go ahead and get started with that. So I'm using rose quartz and flash dance, and don't worry if you're overlapping the color, that's exactly what you want to happen. Okay, so soft scrapes, make sure you're not digging polish out, and then we're gonna pick up the design. Ooh, it's pretty. So keep in mind, I just did this with 2 colors, but you could do this with as many colors as you want. And I will finish this with a smudge-free top coat. So this is what it came out to, guys. What do you think? Give me some hearts for the top one, or give me some thumbs up for the pastels.